Hello everyone, welcome back to another project. Today we are going to make a LDR light dipper. So to make this project we need a LDR module, a LED, a 9-volt battery, a Arduino with the breadboard and few wires. Now let's make the connection. If you see in the LDR you have 4 pins in which we are going to use only 3 pins, that is the VCC, the ground and the analog pin of the LDR, that is A0. So once you have connected the VCC, all the wires to the LDR module, let's connect it to the Arduino. So the VCC of the LDR goes to the 5 volt of the Arduino, the ground pin of the LDR goes to the ground pin of the Arduino, the analog pin of the LDR goes to A0 pin of the Arduino. Once you have connected this, set this aside, take a LED and make sure you note the pins, the positive and the negative of the LED while fixing in the breadboard. Once you have fixed in the breadboard, take two wires, connect the negative pin of the LED to the ground pin of the Arduino and connect the positive pin of the LED to the P9 pin of the Arduino. Once you have connected this, take a 9-volt battery, connect the black wire to the ground pin of the Arduino and the red wire to the V-in of the Arduino. Once you have connected this, you can see the circuit has turned on and you can see the LED is glowing bright. So now when I bring a light source near the LED, since LDR is a light dependent resistor, so whenever a light falls on, the resistivity increases and the brightness of the LED decreases. So when there is no light on the LDR, you can see the LED is growing bright, and when there is a light falling on the LDR, you can see the brightness of the LED is varying. So this is called a LDR. This is called a LDR light dipper. Thank you.